Hi everyone, welcome to today's tips and tricks video. My name's Valerie. I'm an Evolve 365 learning strategist at Planet Technologies. Today, I'm going to show you how to use animations in PowerPoint to smoothly transition between your screenshots or other images without crowding them all onto one slide. It's a great way to keep your slide clean and your message clear. So let's get started. Let's take a look at this slide. On this slide, you'll see 4 screenshots. It's important for us to keep these together because it's showing prompts in Copilot and it's showing one prompt, and each time we're adding more details, so we want to show these all together. So what we'll do is click on our first image we want to appear, choose an animation. I suggest something simple like fade. Go over to your animation pane. If it's not there, you can just click up here to open it. Go to the drop-down. I suggest using Start on Click because you'll have the most control over when it appears. Go down to Effect Options, and for After Animation, do the drop down and click on Hide on Next mouse click. Click OK. You can drag your next image over. You can just cover the first one since it's going to disappear. Do the same thing. Then your next one, whatever order you want them in. And our last image. Now mine are layering really nicely for my order. If yours are in the wrong order, one's behind the other one, just right click, and then you have options to bring to front, send to back. This way you can get them in the correct order. For my last image, I'm going to make sure it's on Start on Click because that's how I want it to work, but I'm not going to put the after animation because this last one, I want it to remain on the screen so there's not just a blank space at the end. Then you can adjust your image or any text you might have. The way to test this to see how it's going to work is you can start up here, then hit play from, and it will quickly show you how it's going to work. I like to do this initially just to check, but the best way to test this is going to Slideshow and click from current slide to see how it's actually going to look when you present. You can click through and see how your audience will see it. So let's take a look at that next. This is what your audience will be seeing, and this is a great way to test it. There's nothing on the screen yet, but when we click, our first image appears. Click again. Here's your second. Click again. Your third. And the final image. Of course, I chose to end my slide on this, but you could have chosen to have that 4th screenshot disappear as well. So thanks for coming. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something. And we hope to see you back for more tips and tricks soon. Bye.